Yeah, I've seen him. Yeah. Very hard. Yeah. I'll put him off with him. Okay.
Judge. Hey, morning, Willie. How are you, man?
Yes. One of the issues that really files in you get the straight up to see. Hey, Judge, you ready?
Ready when you are.
Ready to talk about H. Collins, come on up.
Hey, good morning. Really? You are Miss Collins. Miss Collins, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have been given PR bond. Are you, deputy, do you have a trash can right there? Can you have her spit out the gum? She's chewing it like it's smacking like it's. Thank you. Your case is 345 days old. We set cases for trial at 180 days, just to give you a little perspective. You get no more PR bonds and you will get a GPS monitor on your ankle so I know where you are at all times today. You get one setting to decide what you want to do. I will appoint you a lawyer today. You will be back in 30 days. You must accept the plea bargain agreement or I will set your case for trial and there will be no more plea bargain agreements for you. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Give me a second, Kendra. Kendra, do you have an arraignment?
No, what I have is Cesar Ortega, but I'm in the hospital.
Okay, can you chat me what you have? But I'm trying to do arraignments first, please. Okay.
Okay, I'll try to chat
Ms.
you.
Collins, I'm going to have you, you're also ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested if I find that you're using. You've already gotten 2 PR bonds. There are no more. If you ever miss a court date again, your bond is at 5,000. It will triple, quadruple, quintuple. Do you understand me? I'm going to have you sign a reset. You'll get withdrawn for your bond conditions, and then we'll have you take your seat in the jury box.
All right, bottom of 11, Gonzalez, come on up. Go ahead and sign.
Good morning, Ms. Gonzalez. Ma'am, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On 7/29/2026, deputy responded to Harris County, Texas for a family disturbance. CW agent Castillo stated that he had been in a dating relationship with defendant for 6 months. CW reported defendant arrived at his residence, angrily banged on his door and confronted him about talking to other women. During the argument, CW stated defendant struck him in the face with a closed fist, causing pain, bruising, and a laceration beneath his right eye. Deputies observed the injury. CW positively identified through driver's license as CW defendant positively identified. CW positively identified the defendant as the assailant using Texas driver's license photo. CW wished to pursue charges. No criminal history.
Yeah. Ms. Gonzalez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. You will be randomly tested. You're ordered not to have any contact with this person, not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you understand? There is a protective order that has been issued in this case, and you need to get to know it. If you violate the protective order, they can file additional cases against you, and it just goes sideways real quick. Do you understand me? How old are you, ma'am? You're 20.
28.
You're 28 years old. What do you do for a living? Why? Everyone is having a difficult time. That means you just quit on life? Right. How are you going to support yourself? Relying on a man? How are you going to support yourself? Relying on a man? Be a strong, educated, and gainful woman. Relying on a man never works well. Men are dogs. Do you understand? It is time for you to get a job, and I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks to see what you have done. If you have done nothing, it's not going to go well between us. Do you understand me? All right. I'm going to have you sign a receipt. Do you mind appointing her a lawyer, please?
Yes, Judge.
Well, I'm going to have you take your seat in the jury box. 2 weeks. You understand?
Yes.
Come on.
Yes, Judge. All right, Judge, next is top of 19, Needham.
Good morning, Mr. Needham.
Hello. Good morning.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On 7/31/2026, officer conducted a traffic stop for failure for an
Maintain a single lane.
Maintain a single lane, almost striking another vehicle in the adjacent lane. Defendant was identified as the driver. Officer observed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage, slurred speech, and red glossy eyes. Officer asked defendant where he was coming from, and defendant stated that he does not answer questions and became uncooperative. Officer asked defendant to step out and observe defendant's groin area to be soaked from possible urine, and also noticed defendant's belt to be unbuckled with and unbuttoned. Defendant refused SFSD's DIC 24 was read. Defendant stated, I will think about it twice. Officer took that as a refusal. A search warrant was obtained and executed. As defendant was getting fingerprinted, the defendant told officer, you effed up my life, and so I will F up yours. Defendant was previously convicted of a DWI on 10/17/2023.
Does he have a license to drive?
Yes, sir. It's a detail.
You sure?
I mean, that's what it's.
Okay. Mr. Needham, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You will be randomly tested for illegal drugs. If you're using, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Because it's a second offense, I'm now requiring you to obtain an ignition interlock for any car that you drive. It doesn't matter what the reason is. If you don't have an interlock, you're in violation of these bond conditions. I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, yes, right.
All right. We are going to recess your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. I send notice to DPS in Austin. Every police officer in this state will know if you're caught driving a vehicle, the vehicle doesn't have an interlock, they're going to take you to jail. Don't be crafty. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to have you sign a reset. We'll have you get your bond conditions. After that, you'll be free to go. Please.
All right, Judge, bottom of 31, Williams. First initial F.
The defendant here or no?
In custody. They're in the holdover.
You are Mr. Williams. So you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Okay.
On 8/2/2026, officers conducted a stop on a vehicle in Hagerstown, Texas for littering, throwing a McDonald's cup out the window. Officers met with the driver, the co-defendant, who gave a fake name and date of birth. Officers later learned his real identity and learned the defendant was wanted for evading motor vehicle. Evading with a motor vehicle. The defendant was also giving the officers a fake name. Defendant was arrested for littering and having an open container. Record search of the vehicle reveals multiple drugs, but where the defendant was sitting was a backpack with a Draco FA. And at his feet was another bag of 15.9 ounce of marijuana.
Did you say where the gun was? I didn't hear it.
It was in a backpack in front of his feet.
Okay, and his.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Williams, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to have any contact with the co-defendant in this case and not to be in possession of any weapons. If you pick up a new case, if you endanger my city, I will revoke the bond and put you in jail. I will not give you any more PR bonds. Do you understand me? I'm going to protect my city at all costs. You endanger it, it's just really not going to go well for you. Do you mind filing no weapons and no contact with the co-defendant, please? We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. I'm going to have you sign a reset, then we will have you take your seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. There are no mistakes in this life, Mr. Williams. There are choices. You either make a good choice or you make a boneheaded one. Do you understand me? I'm not going to warn you again. Go on.
Right this way. That's it for now, Judge. I'm gonna sign for you.
Okay, counsel, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come on up.
I do have an arrangement for Mr. Juan Torres.
I'm ready. If you mind bringing him up.
Which one is?
Are you or Mr. Torres? Sir, you're charged with assault bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Officer investigated on 5/6/2022. Officer investigated an assault body with injury. CW stated that on July 6, 2022, he and his girlfriend were at Bombshells to watch a UFC fight. CW stated that while watching the fight, they noticed the ex-boyfriend of CW's girlfriend, the defendant, and a group of his friends. CW and his girlfriend decided to leave, but the defendant stopped them as they were leaving and struck CW with a closed fist twice in the face. CW stated he fell on the floor and defendant struck him again with closed fists and began to kick him in the face and head. CW stated he felt pain and discomfort. CW to the emergency room. He stated that he obtained a concussion and several bruises. Officer observed photos of CW's bruised lips, swollen lips, and blood on the back of his head. Officer also saw text messages where defendant admitted to this assault.
Mr. Torres, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. You were ordered as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness, not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I will test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. You're not to go back to any bombshells whatsoever, not to have any contact. Do we have a co-defendant in this case?
No, well, no.
No. You're also ordered not to be in possession of any weapons.
Oh, there is one question.
What's it?
Rudy Saldana.
Do you have the cause number? Page 27, there's a co-defendant. I'm going to get you the cause number.
Yes, Judge, it's Saldana and it's already disposed.
Already? Okay. As also as a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to have any contact with the co-defendant in this case as well. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. If they tell me they cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. There will be no more PR bonds for you, Mr. Torres. Do you understand me? All right. I'm going to have you sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions, and then we'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, counsel.
Please. Okay. Tell me, where are we at?
So I did speak with the state, Your Honor. They have placed a locate, we're unable to find the complainant. They want to evaluate the case.
Okay, pick a day later this week. You guys eval it, tell me what you want to do, but you're at 190 days. It's time to decide. So pick a day later this week. It shouldn't be long for them to eval it without the witness. Okay, I'll waive the appearance as well.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
This is on Needham. He says that he wants to pay for the device because he wants to go with a company that pretrial doesn't use the plus and he wants to.
If he wants to pay for it, then he's welcome to, but they're his responsibility to make sure that we get all the data and the records. Because if they don't, then file the BVR. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Judge, to the resets on this. I motion on there is that 25 through the 27th.
You said 26. Yeah. Council for recess.
Yes.
Right, so, Wednesday for Thursday. So this one for next. Oh, it's Thursday, Thursday. All right, got it. So. Council for recess. But it was, it's in the middle of the. Usually it's, I'm just looking on the software. Out is October 6th to the 8th. Right, please, turn. On the same day. All right, got it. Can we start with the zero?
Vitrio.
What happens after you reset? What, go ahead and sign for your reset. I'll sign in just a second. All right, go ahead and sign. All right, there you go. Welcome, Tia. Robles. Just a sec. All right, so all right, there you go. There you go. It works out, right? Right, Justin, ready for CHAs?
Yeah.
Top of 5, Baldwin, come on up.
Mr. Baldwin, do you have a lawyer today?
No, sir. It's a little bit more time.
Great. We will give you more time. Your case is 36 days old, so get ready.
Yes, sir.
All right, come on.
Thank you.
Mhm.
All right, bottom of 6, Britton.
Good morning, Mr. Britton. Do you have a lawyer today? Great. I'd like to ask for more hair. It's not going to happen. What do you do for a living? Great. So you earn a living. Okay, great. It's time for you to provide for yourself as well. We don't just give out lawyers like it's candy on Halloween. You have to qualify, meaning federal poverty guideline. We don't give out like it's candy on Halloween. Do you understand? You pick up a case, that's on you. All the people of Harris County don't get to pay for it just because you want one. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. There's a gajillion and one lawyers in Harris County. It's like finding a car. Don't go to Ferrari, don't go to Porsche, go to what you can afford. It's a matter of you going through either Google, the Yellow Book, whatever, and just one by one. You may need to do 20. 99% of them will put you on a payment plan if you ask. You understand? Please.
This way. Go ahead and sign for your receipt. Top of 7, Cavazos.
Name is gonna represent me, he's not here yet. Yes.
Oh, you have an attorney?
Yes. My president.
All right, Judge, next is bottom of 9, Escobar. There you go, your picture.
Mr. Escobar, do you have a lawyer today?
No, I will have him Friday, I didn't have the money until this property comes in.
Great. We'll set you for Monday.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you.
Get on it, doggone it.
Right this way. Goodly. Go ahead and sign for the receipt.
Okay.
He's supposed to have time.
Yes, it's coming home, right?
All right, Judge, next is bottom of 13, Guerra. Guerra. All right, you're free to go.
Morning, Mr. Guerra. Do you have a lawyer today? Your case is 117 days old. You have until Monday. You have to understand. We set cases for trial at 180 days. You are at 120 days. You understand? See you Monday. Be ready.
Top of 14, Harrison.
Did we send Mr. Harrison for a test?
That's in 50 days, Judge. He's THA today. It's not-
Mr. Harrison, do you have a lawyer today? What have you done to look for a lawyer? It's time for you to have a lawyer. Do you understand? I'll see you. You have 30 days. At that time, be back with a lawyer.
We'll sign in just a minute. All right, Judge, top of 16, Johnson. All right, go ahead and sign.
We have a lawyer today, Mr. Johnson. Now, send him for a drug and alcohol test today, please. Take a seat for me in the jury box.
Mr. Johnson, right this way.
I'm sending him for a POC test.
Yes, Judge,
please.
I'm just gonna get these. There you go. You're free to go. All right, go ahead and sign your reset. Page 24, Ruiz.
Mr. Ruiz, do you have a lawyer today?
No, sir.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
I got a lawyer, I just got to come, need a little bit more time to pay the initial down payment. I have them on another separate case.
Great, it's time. Do you understand? You have 30 days. When you come back, have the lawyer ready. All right, come on.
This way. All right, top of 25, Santa Banez. You'll sign in just.
Mr. Santimanes, do you have a lawyer today? Great, just take a seat. We'll wait for them to come up.
Santa Banez, right this way. All right, you can sign it when he says that. All right, Judge. Top of 26, Stokes.
Good morning, Mr. Stokes. Do you have a lawyer today?
No,
Tell me what you're doing about that.
contacted over 10, 15 years already.
Who did you contact? Okay, well, what do you do for a living?
I'm a drug dealer.
Great. So you make money.
Yes.
Great. We're going to reset your case to give you more time. No. This is not a negotiation.
Can I speak real quick? If I'm not able, because you're not even giving, this is my third time coming, telling you that I can't afford it. So,
Second time coming.
third time coming.
Second time.
You know, I came in June, July, third time August, my third time coming. I call different lawyers. If I'm not able to fill out the affidavit for me to prove the situation, because this case expires.
I don't care if it's 15 years
I
old.
understand.
You have to be at the federal poverty guideline making 15,000 a year. You understand? How much money do you make a month?
It all varies between three.
You know exactly how much money you make.
I
Mr.
said all
Stokes.
varies between 3,000 and 4,000.
Okay, you're not going to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Just because you don't want to spend the money, don't mean squat. Listen, this life is not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you spend. If you spend beyond your means, that's on you, and Harris County doesn't get to pay for it.
If I'm not able to get it, I can represent myself and just move forward.
If you want to represent yourself, you're more than welcome to do it. He who represents himself has a fool for a lawyer, as Abraham Lincoln said, though.
I can't afford it, though.
At $4,000,
You don't like, just because I have a job
Stop.
doesn't mean I can't afford it. Like, I have other expenses, like.
if you spend beyond your means, that's on you.
Don't spend, I don't drink, I don't smoke, you know what I'm saying, I don't spend, I don't go out, I just take it, I cannot afford it, like I said. If I'm not able to give money, then I can represent myself to cases, like I said, even though you don't care if it's 5 or 40 years old, I'm just ready to move forward from this case. I got a tattoo on my leg, all that other stuff, well, this case.
Mr. Stokes, let me tell you something. The kind of case that you have, look at me when I'm talking to you. It's a big sign of disrespect. You start going like this, like this. It's a big sign of disrespect. And do you think judges like it when you do that? No, right. I'm not a child and I don't expect you to treat me like one. That's what a child does.
Yes, sir.
This case, a harassing communication can have a dire effect on your ability
Yes, sir. I understand.
to earn a living, to get federal grants, state grants. If you need any kind of substance from any place, this can affect you.
I understand.
So it's not just a drop in the bucket. Well, just let me plead guilty and just. That's not what this is about, because it can have a dire effect. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. So if I'm not able to fill out the.
I want proof. I want bank records.
Yes, sir.
I want tax returns.
Yes, sir.
Then show me
Yes, sir.
with your name on it,
Yes, sir.
and then we'll take a look to see whether you qualify. But if you're making $4,000 a month,
Yes, sir.
you're not going to qualify. I'm telling you now.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay, please. Hold on. This case is now 76 days old. You get 30 days. At that point, be ready. Do you understand? At 180 days, we set cases for trial, kicking or screaming. You understand?
Yes, to bring in
Please.
information.
No, I want you to actively look. There are a gajillion and one lawyers out there that will most certainly put you on a payment plan for a couple $100 a month. They will represent you. It's a matter of you negotiating with them. 99% of lawyers, you can negotiate with them. Well, I can give you this much now, I can give you this much later. And you understand? That's what it's about. Don't call one or two, 15, 20, 30, but there is a lawyer for you,
Yes,
just like a car.
yes, sir. But if I'm not able to, I would like.
Why do you start out with such a bad attitude? Well, I can't do this, I can't do that, I can't do this, I can't do that.
I just don't want to come before you again, and then we have the same issue. Like I said, if I'm not able, I'm gonna do as what you said, I'm gonna get the bank records and all.
Bring me a list of at least 10 names of people, and I'm going to write everything that we're saying,
Oh,
because if not, I'm going to send you on your way again.
yes, sir.
But I want a list of at least 10 people that you've spoken to, price down. Don't come in here with someone who's charging you $30,000 or $50,000, because I know that just, but a reasonable price.
Correct.
And then I also want other proof as to why you can't afford a lawyer.
Yes.
Don't just bring me a bar napkin saying, well, no, actual proof.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Actually, have proof on.
I'm not gonna look at phone records. I'm not gonna take your phone. I don't want to do that. I have bad eyesight as it is.
I understand. Okay.
Bring me paper.
Yes, sir.
The more effort you put into things in life, the better you get.
Yes.
I didn't become a judge here by just, you understand?
No,
You put your heart and soul into anything, and my dumbass got up here, anybody can do anything. You understand me?
Yes.
We'll see you soon.
Thanks.
All right, Judge, page 27 and 28, Valdez.
So not only are you on bond for 2 cases, you pick up 2 new cases and you come in shorts. Get your point. Mr. Valdez, you now stand charged with evading arrest and unlawful carrying of a weapon. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Another 4 PR bond. Come on.
Sorry, this morning I was just having such bad connection. On 8/8/2026, at approximately 1:13, officer was assigned to conduct a traffic stop on Black Chevrolet Tahoe in Harris County after observing the vehicle cross over the crosswalk line at a red light establishing the Tahoe stopped at a gas station. Immediately upon stopping, the defendant and the rear passenger exited and ran on foot. Officer caught him as he attempted to jump a fence after fleeing approximately 600 feet. Defendant pulled his hand away while fleeing. The officer maintained control, ordered him to the ground, and detained him. Officer conducted a high-risk pat down. A firearm was located in multiple pieces on his person. The firearm is a regular piece got 9mm. A record check through NBT revealed that defendant was burnt out on bond for evading and as a result of 21 possession of a handgun.
So who was he? Was he the driver? Was he the passenger? Did the officers tell him to stop?
He was the driver, Judge, and there was a rear passenger. And as soon as they stopped, they got out of the car and started running.
Officers told them to stop presumably?
Yes, Judge.
And they kept going?
Kept going, jumping the fence, trying to jump the fence.
What time of day or night was this?
It was 1:13 a.m.
Mr. Valdez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Guess what happens now? Guess what happens now, Mr. Valdez? You're going to jail. Deputy, I'm revoking all of his bonds. Absolutely not. And now you will get a curfew of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. with a monitor on your ankle prior to your release. If I find that you have a weapon, if I find that you're using alcohol or drugs, I'm making your bond $20,000 now. You violate this again, I will I'm gonna go bananas on all of your bonds. Do you understand me? Can you please appoint him a lawyer?
Yes, Judge.
5,004 on all of them. Yeah,
GPS on all of them. GPS on all of them.
all of them. Yeah,
Judge, even the ones on Friday's docket?
all of them. No better time to be efficient.
All right, you ready for the next one?
Bring it.
Page 30 and 31, Williams, first initial M.
Veronica, no contact with the co-defendant, no weapons. Testing weekly if he does bond out. And I think that's it. Victoria,
Williams on page 30 and 31.
all right, good morning, Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, do you have a lawyer today? Okay, great. We'll give you another reset. When you come back, please have a lawyer, okay? Please.
All right, Judge, page 32, Wilson. We'll sign it just a minute.
Good morning, Mr. Wilson. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that. I get it, but you're now on, you've got 2 open cases. You got to have a lawyer. Criminal cases are the most important thing in your life, not your mom, not your dog, not going to Schlitterbahn, because if you don't take care of this, you're looking at up to a year in jail, times 2. Do you understand? It's time for you to get a lawyer. We're going to reset your case in 30 days. Come back and please have a lawyer. Do you understand? All right. Wait a second. Hold on. Come on. We need bond conditions on homeboy. I don't think he's got any. Mr. Wilson, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You're also charged with interference with emergency requests for assistance. Please. Yeah, I don't see bond conditions.
They bond conditions on the interference.
The AFM doesn't have anything.
Right. So if he does something, then I can't do anything on the AFN. So I need, please.
On 7/4/2026, officer was dispatched to a location in Harris County, Texas. Upon making contact, CW stated that defendant was her ex-boyfriend. CW stated she was at home when her and defendant got into a verbal altercation. CW stated she told defendant that he was a bad father and he didn't know how to be a good father, which made him upset. CW stated while arguing, she told him she was going to call the police. And that since the pair had made calls previously to 911, defendant took the comment seriously and headbutted her and took her phone. CW stated she pushed defendant and tried to take her phone back, but defendant pushed her back. CW stated while in squatting position, defendant hit the CW's knee with the phone. CW stated she observed defendant about to leave, so she asked for the phone back multiple times, and defendant ignored, took the phone and left the apartment.
Okay. Mr. Wilson, you're ordered not to have any contact with this complaining witness and not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you understand? It's not a negotiation. Just don't have contact with this person. Don't have any weapons. Do you understand? I don't want to repeat myself, and I certainly don't want to have to put you in jail. I'm not asking much from you. Don't have any contact. Don't have any weapons. Don't pick up any new cases, and don't endanger my city. Do you understand me? Okay. We will have you sign the bond conditions, and after that, you'll be free to go.
When I was here last time, they gave me the same document, this is something different.
I don't see them signed, and that's why we want to make sure that they're signed. They got signed on only one case. So if you do something, theoretically, I can only revoke your bond on one case. And if you do something, I want to get both cases. You understand? Come on.
Right, this one. And the final for your reset. All right, Judge, page 22, Preston. I didn't have to see the original. It's on the same one. Yeah.
Is this it? Hello. Good morning, Ms. Preston. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that.
I have to get the down payment.
Okay, ma'am, we will give you time. When you come back, please have a lawyer, okay? Please,
That's it for now, Judge.
okay.
Let's get you to sign in just a bit. All right, there you go. You're free to go.
Veronica, can I give you a cause number, please?
Hernandez.
262 4830 on Osei. Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry. I see it now. I didn't see the BVR report. I see it now. Okay, we're good.
Just know that there's a little closer. I'll print it out of you. I'm still opposing right now. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, let's just play it.
Hi, you ready?
For your
Hi.
records,
Please.
see that?
Hey, thanks. How are you?
I have Mr. Rochelle on the docket, pure discovery hearing.
Okay.
So
Yeah, this can give it more time, sorry.
Anything you're missing?
So yes, the officer judge are still not in. It was the one thing that was requesting the last setting.
The what?
Officer Field, Mr. Rochelle.
Yeah, so Judge, I was explaining to council that normally some officers have like a little notepad that they use to help them write their office reports. Sometimes they take pictures of it, sometimes they don't. We did request it back in July 15th and we haven't gotten anything back. But I advised us, and it's usually just notes that they take like complainant's name or something and they put it on the office.
So what do you want?
We're just asserting our rights to keep the.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, if he tries to come up and tries to use it after the fact, it's just not going to come in. Yeah, whatever's not in by now, it's just not going to be used.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, for sure.
Maybe she's.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
You said you were all over the place. I'm just waiting for that. Okay, there you go. Good way to go. Okay. August 25 to 27. The party parents office waiting. Please. To consider. Anybody else?
Get ready for Friday.
Put them all on the thing. Okay, I'll just follow.
Just. Friday is going to be a Dewey. Are you really taking off?
No.
Hey, you ready? Hey, good morning. How are you?
Okay, I have a job case on that tomorrow. I see the state filing multiple payments today, so I was just approaching today.
Have you had it continuous before?
On Johnson.
Connie Johnson is the name, Judge.
Do you have the cause number by chance?
It's 258-1569.
Are you ready, defense?
Yes, I'm ready, Judge.
So it looks like it's a first motion for continuance, right?
Yes,
I believe it's our first trial set.
Yeah, okay. I'll grant it for you, but you're not going to get another one. So be ready next time.
It was just an emergency for the main witness.
It's not a problem, but just be ready. I mean, if there's an emergency, come hell or high water, doesn't matter the next time.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so just 30 days out, just whatever you want. I don't care. Yeah, just for the bit. Oh, is Ramona here?
I'm not sure, actually.
No, I don't think Ramona's here today. Or I don't know. She's usually,
Thank you, Judge.
for sure. And then if you don't mind putting it in, I'll sign it.
Yeah, that's what I.
Yeah. Hey,
Where's your?
just Galveston. How are you?
Oh, really?
Great to see you.
Yeah.
Thanks. How are you?
Good. So is the county already?
Say it again.
Is the county already?
Ah. Let's not get started on that.
People are asking about what?
You know, it's funny and there's no money, There's a huge deficit.
They said we have no money.
huge deficit.
We're spending $2.5 million to investigate something with.
And then what about all the other officers? They're making half, aren't they?
I don't know. They want to write that. Like. Why don't we fully fund the priority?
Hey, hold on. Remember, I'm live streaming, so be careful, just careful. Okay. But
Well, if you watch your boy, I was.
yeah, I see it.
And we had a good time. I was, people were up with the really roll. I was irritated facts. 2,000 hours. First house, and second.
Wait, who did this? Haven't even heard of that.
Oh, that's the newest one. You know, I said, look. You
Taxed?
you asked him. I said, you're not your house with it. I'll explain that, but I said, I was gonna offer more. So offer free stuff. It's not gonna make any, it's like, I mean, what you're talking about. Your radicals, I'm gonna use it. That's what I would be.
Uh,
But he's. I should. He's terrible.
yeah. Well,
Off of Washington.
All right, go ahead and sign.
Hey, Gary. How are you?
We have the. You want to follow up to sign? Hernandez? I'm sorry. Hernandez, come on up. Now, before we start. If you're filing something. On the docket printed out, your files attached. If you filed it, would you need it? No, I didn't see one. That's. Yes,
Last name Williams. Williams. Mr. Williams, I'm just gonna get your signature, you're gonna sign your bond application. So, Mr. Williams, just your copy of your bond conditions, I will take advantage of that, do not online, but then your next court date is September the 14th, it requires for procedure, okay? You're welcome. Have a good one. And the continuance is granted, Judge?
Yes, great. Hey, good morning. How was your trip? I mean, you're always gone. I know. Now we're back at it.
Yeah, I was
Crazy.
trying to get everything back in line this weekend. It's just,
Where'd you guys go? Hawaii or New Zealand?
so we went to Mount Beachy, Hawaiian.
Whoa.
And we have a house in Vermont, so we spent the place to stay. We do sailing up there.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how's Fiji, South Pacific? Did you go to little islands or?
We Fiji has a new island.
Popping.
So is that an
Hell of an anniversary. Nice. Yeah, we were at the beach.
Judge,
I'm ready when you are.
okay. And we will, to address the fee, I'll ask you some questions.
Is it a first or is it a second? Okay. I usually waive it on the first,
Oh, okay, great.
but if it's a trooper.
Yes, it's a trooper.
All right, you were Mr. Washington.
Yes.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand something important. You were pleading guilty to this offense and it will go on your record. What you also need to understand from now on, you're facing not only a minimum of 30 days in jail, but if you're convicted on a second offense, it's a $6,000 surcharge. And if you don't pay it, every $100 that you owe, you sit 1 day in jail. There are mistakes in life and then there are choices. You pick up a second DWI, it's not a mistake. It's a choice. You either make a good choice or you make a bad choice. Do you understand? You only get so many proverbial slaps on the wrist before it starts getting worse. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. It's stuck like this forever. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, sentence you to 3 days in jail, give you credit for the 1 day that you've done. I will roll your court cost. That means that I'm right now taking away around $4,000 to $5,000 worth of fees, surcharges off. If you come back here, it's around $6,500 at least. You understand? Every time you get pulled over, officers will see that you have a prior DWI on your record. If you smell like alcohol or dope, how do you think it's going to go? Probably not very well. So for the rest of your natural born life, even if you have a sip of alcohol, I wouldn't get into a car. I have to suspend your license. I will do it for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license, and good luck to you, sir.
Thank
Lisa
you,
the
Your
clerk.
Honor. Good seeing you.
Thanks. You too, Ms. Alphonse.
Mr. Washington, you don't have to pay anything, you just need to go downstairs, the Collections Department on the first floor to close the account. You're good to leave after that. Okay, so that's all. Thanks.
I don't see how many of these privileged to. Okay, Mr. Washington.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, because you're the one who makes it 3 days or makes it 30. And I'll wait for it. Yeah.
But it's nice to get some church with this truck, you know, it comes out, and does,
Yeah.
you know. And it's.
Victoria.
This was, so she's still.
There's going for that here. Yes. They take some of that.
Oh, yeah, I saw them on the show. This is supposed to be before the right? Yeah. Custody? No. I saw them on the show, so they always do them in a minute. Anyway, I'll leave all right now. You're welcome. And actually, how it's easy. That's what the writing of everything. The second girl almost.
Hey, Victoria, all those bond conditions that never got signed that are in the queue, I'm gonna put it on for this Thursday and I'll send an email now.
Okay, I already sent the email and said if they didn't come last week, we're gonna come on down this week.
Okay, so I'm, put it for Thursday.
I was out Friday.
Okay, I'll put them on for Thursday.
Okay.
If he no shows, hey, Mr. Johnson, what's up?
Judge, I want to ask a couple questions about house rules and some fusion.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, hold on. I didn't know that you needed a fugitive prosecutor. Let me call them.
It's good. I just want to ask you a couple of questions.
Sure.
And may need that person, in a minute. So I've got, one, it's not Louisiana, I can give you a case number,
Okay, what is it?
2632-632.
On Verstiggy?
Yes.
Okay,
So, this is kind of a garden variety deal. We did one with you a while back, out of Indiana, same thing, probation violation. Not a real serious case. And I just gonna want to know house rules on how you want to handle that. Should we-
so typically what we do is I get Day Kim over here. He is the fugitive prosecutor in the matter. He will take a look at it. He'll see what they're wanted for. He'll check whether their jurisdiction is actually going to come get them. If not, then he'll file a nollie. If they do want this person, at that point, we'll see whether he is okay with the bond or not. If not, then we'll go forward and you just make your pitch to see whether we set a bond or not.
Okay.
I don't know because, I don't know what they're wanted for. I don't know what kind of criminal history they have. And so,
Probation violation, yeah.
but what was the underlying case? A murder case, so that's,
Just little drugs. Not even a lot of drugs.
it's on docket today.
No, Judge. That came in last Friday. I was here last Friday. I see it.
Hello? All failed. I'm gonna text him to see if I can get him up here and then we'll talk and then we'll see. Just bear with me a couple minutes. I called it, it didn't, for some reason. So let me text him and then as soon as I get a reply, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
For sure. Hey,
We found out there's a package with a pre-trial information and application.
okay, the case is old. I'm not gonna set it far off. So maybe like a week or two. Yeah,
I just want to give the state enough time to do their.
yeah, okay, got it.
Thank you.
Hey. Yeah, so can I give you a cause number? Are you, Mr. Johnson, you're gonna file an attorney of record?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I need you to, please.
Are we getting an approval today?
263, 2632.
But yes, I have the packet here. Physical to look at it in my notes.
Vera Stiggy. Yeah, so I have Charles Johnson that's about to sign on to it and wants to talk about presumably a bond. Okay. All right, thanks, bud. Bye. He's coming.
Thank you.
So get with him, see if you guys can agree on something. If so, then I'm game. If not, then we'll talk.
All right, thanks, Judge.
For sure. Yeah, Mr. I have a motion to sub, Mr. Johnson, I have a motion to sub in the tower over there. If you want to go ahead, file it so we can get you attached to the case.
Motion.
Yeah, we have one right there. Or in the tower over there, we should have a motion to sub.
Got it.
Do you want to call them up to sign? Well, I'll get them to sign so I can move on and get them.
Okay.
And you should call them up. She's ready.
Great.
No, you don't have to sign.
Yeah.
Just this.
You figure out your way.
In person or? You want?
Hey, Tom.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What's up, buddy?
Judge, I've got a client on PTI, Juan Enriquez Herrera,
Okay.
and when he went last month to check in, they told him he could ask to get the removed.
He could do what?
If that he may be able to get the device removed early.
That's not up to me. That's up to the contract that you guys signed with the state. So,
Okay.
It's, I don't know. What's the cause number, Tom?
256-1848.
Is it Alejandro Vega?
No. Enriquez, I think you said.
Enriquez Herrera.
Can I have the call number again? 24.
Tom, what's the cause number again, please?
256-1848.
256. What's the last four?
1848.
Hold on.
I'll just put it in the chat as well.
And the question was removing inner lock? They don't do that on DWI, PTIs anymore. They don't do, early.
I said, if they want to request removal of any device, you have to reach out to the in Augusta. But we are not removing them.
Did you hear that?
And I did not, no.
You have to talk to Caitlin or who?
Augusto.
Agosto.
Okay.
But those are the two people that you have to talk to. I don't think here they can just, and I don't even think that the people monitoring have the authority to just remove it anyways. So talk to
Okay.
them and then just let me know.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You got it. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're set for trial tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's talk about it. We have 2-hour anger management and dismiss offer, but that was on Friday and I haven't been able to get a hold of her on the phone.
So we'll keep it on for tomorrow.
Keep it
She either shows or she doesn't show. If she doesn't show, we're revoking her bond. And then we'll see.
That's where we are.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Judges of me for me.
Sure. Of course. You speak English, Mr. Escobar?
That's what they are.
You don't belong in a car. Your history sucks.
That's right.
Don't drive, especially if you don't have insurance. Imagine if I take one of your most prized possessions and I break the hell out of it. How would you feel? This is the same thing with here in cars. Manslaughter, DWI, 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 FSGI, and now you have another FSGI and an evading arrest? Stop. It's just not fair. You've been here how long? Around 3 weeks now?
Yes, sir.
When a $20 Uber ride could have gotten you wherever you want to go. Don't matter where you want to go. It's a geographical oddity. Start using Uber. You're
Yes.
charged with evading arrest or detention. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 60 days in jail with credit for the 23 days that you have done. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. You are not, if you evade again, you will not be with us. From now on, you're looking at a felony offense if you evade from the officers or law enforcement again. Do you understand?
Yes.
This can be used to enhance you to a felony and you're looking at years instead of days next time. How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to find you guilty. As part of this agreement, the FSGI will be dismissed. I'm assuming, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Was there any restitution that was owed into the FSGI?
We'll be discussing the FSJ.
Was there any, I get it.
Oh, yeah.
Was there restitution?
We try to reach out to them, but right now we haven't been able to respond to them, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just curious. All right, I'm going to send it you to 60 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 23 days that you have done. The enhancement will be abandoned. Good luck to you, Mr. Escobar.
Thank you.
All right, man.
Maybe she's-
Thanks, man.
All right.
Yeah, you too.
Brandon? Number?
Good morning, Miss Lodi.
Yes, good morning.
How can I help you?
I was wondering if I can see the court proceeding.
Oh, you're here just to observe?
Yes.
Martin, you got something else for me?
No, I was,
Okay.
we talked about. Yeah, I would see.
Who did I go vote for? Oh, that's, thanks.
That's fine. I'll say that. I already said exactly.
I have a lot of it. Okay. Maybe it's good. Also, the little signs. Yeah. What is it?
Because it's an August.
I should have thrown it down.
Anything?
I love the animation of chaos. Tuesday, what? Mike, that's my judge.
Please. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
What's up?
Judge, I have an off-topic matter, whenever you're ready.
Okay, let me just finish this real quick. Okay, what's your cause number?
It is 261
Okay.
6967.
On Rodriguez.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
So I spoke with the state is willing to do a time served on the first. I know he has a warrant. There were immigration issues on this one. He would not take a time served on the first.
It's a second and it's above a 15. So, sorry. And it's in warrant status. I mean,
Understood. Would you allow him to do a walkthrough?
I don't know. I mean, he's been gone now for, I don't know.
It has been due to immigration, from my understanding of it.
Do what now?
It has been due to immigration, from my understanding.
Is he in immigration custody?
He's no longer in immigration custody. He just wants to resolve this case.
Great. I'm not gonna do. He needs to come in just like everybody else, but I'm not gonna.
Understood.
Yeah.
And
He
then,
can, I mean, there's a bond set. He can post a bond now, or he can come here and we'll deal with it, but
understood. I'll let him know if what's on it. I'm sorry.
okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, Kobe, can I talk to you real quick?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate Alright, got it. Oh, yeah, I saw.
Mr. Johnson's was also there represented pound of fatigue.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is Stanley Johnson, Don, right? Is this correct?
Yes.
Mr. Johnson, come up. You were on bond for DWI. You were ordered not to use. I'm now revoking your bond and you will go into custody. It goes with you. Can you please appoint him a lawyer?
Yes.
Thanks. Yep, he's going with you. 5,002, please.
All right.
Yes. Dismissal for miscellaneous.
What are we doing now?
And also, in these state bar conditions is
I thought there were some in there, no?
No, that was for, it was another last name business.
No.
We got that. We can't do it more than that. Yeah. Sure.
Well, what did you guys?
Just for what the hand.
Hey.
Doesn't need the number.
I think she's gonna make me function.
Yeah, because what happened was he was originally booked in on the department collection, and then he had to do the other one, the third one didn't want to extradite. The second one, they released it, thinking that the DOC was going to up, but our central records were stuff that they had.
I need a program, probably.
So, because.
MONGHUR.
Vaughn or Jam?
Spot.
Oof.
I was an old BF.
Yes.
So, we're here now, with his aunt, my client did miss first day of school today, HIC. He's a senior in high school. I spoke to the chief, I told him to put a mitigation package together.
It's 300 days, so we'll give you a week. Okay.
Exactly, so can we have a week, can I have this appearance waived or?
If it's done to what you like, yes.
Yes, there's 2-3 things that I'm gonna ask him to do between now and then. I'll present it to the chief.
Mongor, come up.
I have him waiting outside the room.
Okay.
You want to come?
No, but just admonish him. If he doesn't have it done, I'm gonna roll his butt day for day till he gets it done.
Understood.
1 week. And then after that, give it to you, a couple days to decide, and then we'll.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for sure.
Good morning. About the resign.
Hi, Mr. Kim. Got it. Okay. Thanks. How are you? Good thing. Have you shown this to your client so he sees it, so he knows?
This one was a weird one because he's wanted by 3 different jurisdictions and there was just a hiccup at the sheriff's office. So this is one where he got released last week and then got arrested again for the same warrant.
Wow.
Just one of those things, Judge.
What was the last one?
This one is much clearer.
Yes.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Thanks, Judge. All right, I'll email you on.
Yes.
Annabelle to speak, so she's. Okay. Yeah, she's on by. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
If you do this way. It isn't a little package.
Wait, no, this is one where. Maybe, let's find out. No, there was one where they refused and they're just fighting it. And, oh, no, this one not yet. This one's gonna be a little different.
Okay.
Maybe. Hey, Judge.
Bye, Dave. See you tomorrow.
Gonzalez, Brianna?
Yeah, oh, yeah, for sure. Who's first?
359,
Oh, let me get there. Hold on. Okay.
560. We put him on probation on June 15th. On August 1st, he picked up a felony assault family member and the law is set at 5,000.
15,003.
We have one that was supposed to come for a court admonishment today. So wait for a man to go to residential. He's not here yet, but I think we said we're gonna set the bond at 20,000 in court. Okay. I'll put it at the end of the document.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and.
I'll send it to you later.
Okay.
So for Mr. Roberts.
Yes.
Yes, it's kind of,
This spelling is 9/8. Did you want the day after? 9/9.
Hey. Good morning.
Matt Bruce.
Please. How are you?
Before my kid went back to school, I promised him to bring it to me. He just wants to come say hello to me.
Yeah, come say hi. Thank you. Have some candy.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, young man. How are you? Daddy's a great guy. Works really hard. He's a great guy. Should be just like him. Follow in his footsteps and it'd be really great. You guys work together. How cool would that be? Huh? And then when he does bad, you put him in jail.
Oh.
Hold on. That's candy. They're not mine. I don't know who they did. I don't know who does it. But thanks.
Thank you, Judge
All right.
Fleischer. I see him. I'm moving as I look at it. I'll see Judge Fleischer.
All right.
Hello. Where's your sister? Yeah. It's never anything the same. It's for you. We'll have a good one on the first day of school.
Hey, you want to go through this?
Is anybody on Zoom? No. Okay. Bottom of 10. Except for arrangement, child to appear.
2501.
Do you remember that one, Judge?
No. Now that you say it, yeah.
Co-coordinator.
Did it just track to us? I mean, I don't understand. Because
Well, I got an email from him. He said he is unable to make it.
man, 2501.
Top of 15. Failed to appear on 8/5 and failed to appear today.
5002.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it failed to appear on what day?
8/5.
Okay.
All right, Judge, the next one. On page 26, Judge Torres. I think council tried to zoom on this.
No, she Just two, Shizis and Ortega.
Okay. Well, that's it then, Judge. We're just waiting on a couple of attorneys. No, these are all. Okay, yeah, I'll just wait on this. Thank you.
No. He can, back there if he's gonna go.
That's been Wilson.
That you, Terry?
Yes, we're gonna get your signature using this keypad. You're just gonna tell the bond conditions. And give you a copy of the original. This is a copy of the bond conditions on what you can and cannot do on your bond. Your next court date is September 14th. You're required to be here. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Says the exact same. Howdy, this is a bill order on Emily Hernandez. She is in over 8th waiving.
So, thank you.
All right, thank you.
They'll sign it.
The certification.
All right, you have any fun?
So much.
Great.
Yes.
Person.
The child is the second point, unfortunately, show up in the 25. And then we have the cost left. So it says, we did update it for you. Please, it would be relevant and not every provided as this prompt to change of use pursuit directly from deputy in the future. What do you mean? What do you mean? Yeah, that's totally right, but it wasn't even, the color wasn't just from. Discussion session. Remove the cost. I think it's not audio. But it's really positive. Right. Yes, it was back south, it says about. No, I'm assuming the office, like, they were. They see something else. Will be bad, but I just, we did that, it was self-initiated by the official. That was not the thing. We said, not audio, I know this. That is how. You have to be buying them, can't like to be able to anything. Let's see if I can go. And that we found in the plan, we was start and we I would not like with it, but I was also now. This body.
It has to be out for the traditional audio. This is a hack. Yeah. Yes.
Hey. Who you here on? Thanks.
We are pushing on Jones.
Jones. Okay, no, that's wrong. Okay,
That's on the Discovery. Now.
So Judge, we reached out to the dispatch, they indicated that there is no audio 911 call because it was received directly by the deputy and was self-initiated on scene. There is a call slip which we have uploaded and provided to the defense, but there is no audio.
there is no 911. So, okay. So do you have an offer on the case?
Yes, Judge, there is an offer on the case.
Great. Is your client here now or no?
No, yeah.
So we'll set you off a week because you're at 171 days. Let your client know that they gotta be here at the next setting, okay? To accept or reject. Okay? All right,
Yeah.
got it.
Oh, yeah, I can help you. I'll give you. All right, got it. That's good. Maybe call your client and get anything about it. You start doing.
Hey, Michelle, on Abdullah,
Raise your hand. Okay, please swear or affirm that the information will be provided by the history.
it says Abdullah. Is there any restitution? On either of the theft cases. He's got 2 theft cases.
Judge, The first one is a target,
Come up, Council.
they haven't, been able to get hold of the, CW. It was the, cologne.
Come up, Mr. Abdullah.
Morning, Judge.
Hi, first. Hey, test in 2 weeks. Mr. Abdullah, you're charged with 3 cases. You're charged with 2 counts of theft and 1 failure to ID. The agreement that you have worked out is they're going to dismiss 2 of them. Is that correct? Shaw? In exchange for your plea on 1 of the theft cases. What you're doing is you're entering into a deferred adjudication, which is a type of probation that if you complete successfully, you do not end up with a conviction on your record. It's hard enough growing up as a Black man in today's society. It really is. I could never put myself in your shoes. All I know is that when you start picking up theft cases, all you do is you make your life so much more difficult. No one hires thieves. Do you understand? Life is hard enough as it is, and all you're doing is you're continually shooting yourself in the foot and becoming a statistic. You will be tested for alcohol. You will be tested for dope. You test positive, guess what happens? You give up nearly every right known to man entering into this deferred. And if you violate any of the conditions, no matter how minute you may think it is, you are looking at 180 days in jail. And I have no problems putting you in jail for up to that amount of time. Do you understand me? If that's what it's going to take to learn a lesson, then that's what it's going to take. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This is a done deal today. You either complete it successfully or you end up getting revoked and you're looking at 180 days in jail. A lot of this life is who you hang out with. I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is. You either do well or you do poorly. For you to complete this successfully, there's no drugs, no illegal drugs, including marijuana or anything that has THC in it. And I'm testing you in 2 weeks. You test positive. Do you understand me? You must do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what other conditions you need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. You must do a thinking for a change, the long one, please. 30 hours of community service. No contact with target. Who is the other?
It's, Johnson.
Sure. Do they own a store? Is it in the Galleria?
It's a person that was at school, he's lost their home.
God, no contact with the other complaining witness in this case as well. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm not going to find you guilty now. Mr. Abdullah, I promise you, you either do this well or you do this poorly. All that depends on you. What are you doing with yourself these days?
I did graduate. I'm going to start college in a couple of days. Just got into AI.
You might as well just quit. Every time someone looks you up, you know what they're going to see? Theft, failure to ID. When your name comes up against another candidate with similar experience, with 0 on their background, who are they going to choose?
Aren't you excited?
You're young. People in the workforce understand that young is dumb sometimes and they make mistakes. However, after time passes, 10, 15 years, if you don't get out of trouble, it won't negatively impact you as much because people will see, okay, well, this guy may have been stupid once. Hopefully he's going out of this. But if you continue to pick up charges, just quit because no one's going to give you the time of day. I'm telling you how it is in the real world. You understand? Perception is reality. You understand? All right. So either in 30 days, school full-time or full-time job, provide proof of both. Don't use illegal substances. Do you understand me? All right, good luck, sir. Thank you. Hey, what's up?
You don't stop Martin tomorrow because he's saying he has to give a speech in Austin, but obviously if he has to ease up, how would we hear it from?
I don't know. I mean, if he wants, has he had a motion for continuance before?
I don't know. He just wanted to know what position he was in line for Friday.
What do you mean for Friday?
Is it Friday that you have trouble?
No, Tuesday.
Tuesday, okay, for tomorrow, sorry.
I mean, he's probably up. I don't know. I mean, are you ready on Mark's case?
Mark Easton's case, I don't.
Barbara?
I don't believe so.
That's the one, yeah, that's the one that I just emailed. He's not first on the trial docket, Judge. It's our first motion, but to continue because one of the experts has had a vacation. Is it vacation or?
Okay, so it sounds like they're gonna move for continuing.
So you're gonna move because it sounds like they were too.
No,
Because-
Mark's gonna go. If he has to be here, he'll be here. But if they're moving for continuance, then I'll let him know that.
On Barbara, I did file a motion for continuance about 2 weeks ago. I spoke to Mr. Thiessen. He said he was fine with it.
Okay.
I get it, but have you had a continuance before?
No, that's just.
You sure?
Yeah.
What's the cause number?
It's
Mark's actually tagging in right now.
Oh.
it's been rolled.
Hey, Mark, I'm approaching on it.
Hey, Marky Mark.
Hey, man. Hey, sorry, Judge. Hey, guys. Sorry, I heard Sean and everything.
I'm here.
Didn't
Don't
mean
worry
to
about
call
it.
you, man.
So-
Sorry, sir.
What's your cause number, Mark? Please,
Let me check that out real quick. Sorry.
because it looks like the state's moving for continuance.
Yes, sir. And my cause number is 2568896. And I said I don't have any objection because it's their first, I believe.
Okay, Judge, I'm gonna run upstairs to felony.
So what's going on upstairs as well? Are you guys set up there too, or no?
No. Mm-mm. And I'd be lying to you. I think they filed that just to kind of force our hand here. And so I'm gonna go win this and, well, hopefully win this and knock out the felony.
We're told by felony, just everybody, so everybody's aware, is that if he was to plea on the DWI, they will dismiss the felony.
Exactly. So they're trying to strong arm me into taking this. So if I beat this, it takes out the felony. You
Touche.
see? And so we're said here, they didn't file that felony till
So,
old. So
you
it's
know,
old.
as you know, Mark, I usually grant a first continuance, but I'm not going to do a second. So the state's moving for continuance now. They filed it first. I'll grant it. Give us, reach out to Victoria. You guys pick a day, 30, 45 days.
Yeah.
But I'm not granting another one. So
I appreciate that, Judge. And just so you see, I hope they're not buying time because felony's not pushing me to trial. And so they're not going to try and push that felony to make strong arm me into pleading. This
I don't.
whole time.
No, I don't.
An email from the experts.
Okay.
I don't think there's anything nefarious going on.
Okay.
I would hope not, but you never know, right?
Good. So, yep, no problem then. No problem. And I'll get with the office to get a new date for everybody.
Okay, my friend.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate the
Okay,
efficiency.
take care.
Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, and if you don't mind putting that in. Sign it. Where, hey, where did Stacy go? I'd like to address the pond violation. Do you mind grabbing her, please? She had the white dress on. Please, I think she's outside. Tony, you need to talk?
Cesar Ortega.
Ortega.
We're from Miss Vega. She's currently in the hospital.
Oh, is she?
So.
Okay, so do you know how long? She's got a case that's pretty old. That's fine.
She was there, I think she was admitted Thursday.
Ortega's not an old case, or actually maybe Ortega is one. Hold on.
All I know is that there's a discovery issue. And then I get,
Great. She needs to be here. She's the attorney of record.
I understand. but-
So- I understand, right.
Yeah,
So,
next surgery.
huh?
Yeah, next surgery. So I don't know how long, she's in there since Thursday.
Okay, let's set it off a week and let's see where we're at.
Okay.
You know, she can always zoom in. So hopefully after a week, she's back bound. The other case, I don't care. You can do a regular reset, but Ortega is 190 days old. I'm not going to do long resets. You know what I mean?
That's fine.
It's time to
Yeah,
put up. Do you have an offer in the case?
Trying to pull it up, Judge.
Is Ortega here?
I believe it is.
Ortega?
No, it was a waived appearance, Judge.
Okay, so no more waived appearances, just if you don't mind,
Stacy's not.
you know?
Well, I think there was a rip call that was.
Okay.
The last one. Yeah, it's his mom. So. Let me hear the phone first. No. Out of the same. Love is not in. No, it should be. No, it's not. It's just like a form of this. Okay, so.
I would give what the money was for.
Yeah, he didn't have to, it's just like they just thought. This will help you. It looks like she does that. Alright. Sure. That's the time. Sure. No, sure.
Oh, the sheriff's office.
Approach. This case that we were just talking about, I just kind of got the rundown. There's an AFM, they can't get a hold of complainant. There's an FSGI that's not related to the AFM.
On Ortega?
Yes. There's the FSGI and a PCS that are attached together, two separate cases. There's 3 cases. On the FSGI, if I've been able to contact the complaint on that. And on the drug case, there's a lag. So it's not that the defense is doing anything here, it's just, yeah.
But I need you to tell me this, not at 190 days old, so I can put their feet to the fire.
I believe that was done last setting, I wasn't here.
So whatever's not in, it's 190 days old. Whatever's not in is not coming in. That's it. So give you a week, knowing that whatever's out now is not coming in. You guys need to make a decision on what you want to do. So whatever's not in now, I just don't care. It's just not coming in. So make a decision on what you guys want to do. It hopefully should be pretty easy. You guys too. Eval it with all the stuff that's not going to come in. We'll come back in a week and decide.
And just to be sure, the assault family member, that's a new case. I mean, is that for all 3?
If it's 190 days old, then let me see.
The FSCI and possession of controlled substance were from February. But the AFM is.
I mean, it's 123 days old. I'm not going to do it on that. That's still relatively young.
Okay.
But on the other 2, I'll exclude whatever is not in.
Okay.
Okay, so, but that in mind, get on it, please, whatever
You
you're
have
missing.
to investigate it. Look, it's just the complainants are related.
There's always an excuse.
Yeah.
There's always, I mean, it's the nature of the beast. Just,
We'll find.
right. Yeah. Okay, you got it. Stace. Mr. Alvarado, come up. I have bad news for you. Is that your family over there, Mr. Ortega?
This is Alvarado.
Or I'm sorry, Mr. Alvarado?
You know,
Did you just hear by yourself? You have to understand that there are no mistakes in this life. There are choices. I harp on it over and over and over. You either make a good choice or you make a bad choice. You have 2 DWIs in 2024. You pick up another DWI. So you're on bond for 2 DWIs. Normally, when I have something like that and a disposed of DWI within the same year, so literally 3 DWIs within 2 years, the bonds are relatively high. Your bonds are at 1,000 and 1,500. And I told you at the outset, when you got your second DWI, that there was no tolerance whatsoever. You came to me, said, look, Judge, I got to work. And I said, okay, fair is fair, and I don't want you to lose a job. I amended the schedule to what you asked me for. And now you're getting home beyond 10 o'clock. Unacceptable. You are going to jail today. Because if I were to do anything else, you know what would happen? It would continue, and it would continue like a little child. My son is 4, and I love him to death, but he tries to beat me down over and over, trying to get away with as much as he can over and over. And at some point, I have to put him over my knee so that he understands the message. Do you get the analogy? I am now putting you over my knee and you will go to jail today because you have 2 bond violations, not just 1. Do you understand?
Sure. Judge, can you at least explain like what happened?
No.
Can I speak?
Sure.
Because normally I'm with you, but in this instance, I'm not. He's come 60 times to this court in 2 months. He hasn't missed a drug test. He hasn't missed court. He's been doing everything to the letter. Now we get to the day that he's gonna plead, he's gonna finish. It's convenient that he's gonna jail today.
There's only one reason that this is happening
No,
now.
I understand.
Right.
But
I need him
I
to
would like
understand.
for- At least to figure out like why he came late or something. Was there some sort of circumstance or something?
But that's the thing is, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It just doesn't. Stacy, you have 3 DWIs in 2 years.
No, I'm not.
You are lucky to even be out. You are lucky that someone is not dead, where you end up with a 30 to 40-year sentence, Mr. Alvarado. Do you understand the gravity of what's going on? I don't think you do, because otherwise you would be home by when curfew is.
How does that work? Yeah, I understand.
You know what the rule is. When you're on bond for 2 WIs, your life is the court, not your dog, not your grandma, not your cherry tree. Goes with you. No, sorry, I can't. Because we'll be back, he'll be back with the motion in 2 weeks. 10,002 on both.
Good morning, Judge.
Hi, Mr. Leonard.
I am here for an in-custody case.
Okay.
And we're going to last in this black.
Black.
Stacy, did you have somebody back? Oh, Norris.
Okay, thank you for coming on this. I need to bring him out though, because we need to address, he's on bond for an unlawful restraint, assault of a family member interference, and now he's picked up a VPO. Are they all the same complaining witness?
Yes, sir. I would like to say, same transaction, and we have a very revealing.
What do you mean, same transaction?
Those first 3 are all.
Yeah, I get it.
Same issue.
Sure.
We have a pretty exculpatory rip call, which was the basis of my defense. Unfortunately, this case popped up, but I plan on letting the court know about that.
Let's say 75% of the cases have. But nevertheless, you still have to abide by court orders. You can't just.
I understand. It would be to support my request for a reasonable bond.
So you tell me what you think, Ms. Shaw. I mean, let's do PC first, because I don't know anything about the VPO. I don't know how bad, dangerous, if it is at all. What, if anything, happened? I don't know.
Did a clear snippet, officers conducted a traffic stop due to failure to signal within 100 feet range required under the Texas Transportation Code. It was a sergeant, and when they approached, they took out the passenger, and when they looked her up, they noticed that he had a protective order and they were in the same car. That's.
Okay, thanks. Etch. Can you bring up Mr. Black, please? Thanks. Do you want to talk about something else?
I watched the movie Obsession. It was pretty good.
Did you see The Odyssey?
Which one?
The Odyssey?
No, yeah.
It's great, but it was so freaking loud. I think I went deaf. I mean, they had it. Did you see it?
Spider-Man, and I was thinking.
No, but no. It was, and my watch kept dun, 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 too loud, get out.
Well, because it's IMAX, right? So they,
No, but it was
everything
was
loud.
way too loud. I mean, but other than that, it's good.
Yeah.
And I saw Respect too.
But I got little kids, so it's a long movie if I remember.
Dude, it's 3 hours. I mean,
That's absurd. Give me a miniseries, I'm a miniseries guy.
we got there like at 1:40 or no, 1:15, right? The movie. We didn't end up leaving till like 4 or 5.
I love Nolan, Interstellar. top three
Dude,
for
that's
me, but-
for me too. I love it. That Interstellar is just so freaking good. Oh my God. Good morning, Mr. Black. How's jail? Great. That makes me very happy. Court orders are there for a reason. They're not for Mr. Black to do whatever the hell he wants to do. There are court orders. And when you don't follow court orders, there are drastic consequences, as you now see. You know, we can only give people so many PR bonds before we start saying, hey, dude's just not getting it, you know? All we want are our streets safe. You're on bond for an interference, unlawful restraint, and an assault. The only thing I asked you not to do was have contact with the complaining witness and not to have weapons. And now, what happened with Mr. Black?
On 8/6/2026, at approximately 19 hours, deputies were on a routine patrol. They assisted Sergeant who was conducting a traffic stop on Alden Bender Road, Harris County, a public roadway. Sergeant advised that the stop was based on probable cause of observing the driver failed to signal continuously for at least 100 feet before turning or changing lanes. Once the driver was identified, the stop was done, the driver was identified through Texas driver's license. The passenger was identified as Ryan Paris. It was revealed that an active magistrate order of emergency protection was issued, listing Ryan Paris as a protected person. The law explicitly prohibited defendant from going near or being in presence of Paris. The order had been issued following assault family violence, and it is from an incident from May 2026. Still active.
Got it. Do you mind filing a new MOAP on the VPO, please? I want you to hear me loud and I want you to hear me clear, Mr. Black. The Texas Constitution does not allow me, but in extremely limited circumstances, to hold someone at no bond, 0 bond. This is misdemeanor court. We're not felony court where we can just hold everybody at no bond. But you are now charged with a violation of a protective order. If I put conditions on it and you violate conditions on the VPO, I can have a hearing within 3 days to hold you at 0 bond. And I will do it in a heartbeat to protect everyone in my city. Do you understand me? When I mean no contact, I mean no contact at all. That means jail phone calls. That means written notes. That means smoke signals. That means use of third parties. I'm going to issue now another order for protection. You pick up another one. Now you will be looking at a 3rd-degree felony, perhaps a 3rd-degree felony, depending on if you have any other priors. Could be a 2nd degree. Could be looking at up to 10 years or up to 20 years in prison. No contact and no weapons. Do you understand? Because of the new case, I'm now going to revoke your other bonds and I'll set them all at 5,004. I don't know if you're going to bond out. If you do, you will get a GPS monitor and you're not to go within 1,000 feet of where she lives or where she works. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to have this conversation with you again. If you pick up a new case, you violate conditions, just be ready. Every phone call that is made in the detention center is recorded. Even if you use someone else's PIN. You understand? I have put people in ag seg before and I'll do it again. Don't try to be crafty. Do you understand? Okay. We're going to have you sign a reset. We're going to have you sign your conditions and then we'll see what happens. Okay.
Judge, and if I may, would you be open to modifying it if you, a curfew or a GPS to at least lower the bonds on the other ones, keeping this at private?
I think that Mr. Black has just extensive criminal history. All these cases are violent cases, and yet he's still having contact. I don't think that there are any non-financial conditions that will be in place. I mean, we already had a protective order in place and he just, so
I believe
it may be due time, but now I'm not ready to just, Okay. All right, Mr. Black, good luck. Thanks.
May I do a short reset for you as well?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Oh, I'm sorry. Because you're that Damon. All right, yeah. See you later. Cool.
It's still like. No, very good. Much more.
That's my bond, bonus, bond, yeah, it's in here. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you want to send them, I just. Just to have all fun. I'll put it on and make up all words. But they're not just today. So they're going to put on them and set them so it's on down and then they'll have to sell. So we cannot do this. Balance has been on that. All right, got it. It's really left.
Anything else you want to talk about?
But I'm following them a lot from this clip.
Oh, great, yeah. Oh, did you send him down already? Black? Yeah, he needs to sign them off. Okay.
Hi.
What's up?
Hello, how are you?
Good, good. Are you still with the office or no?
Yes, oh, yes.
Okay.
I have a case on your docket tomorrow.
What?
Yes.
How is that even possible?
Sometimes.
What?
It's one that should be filed.
So there's
What's caused them? You know?
Yeah. Nelson, first name Ryan.
We're honored to have you. Really?
About the case.
Oh, wonderful.
Did you, do an attorney?
Is it public integrity or something?
Oh,
I'm sorry, or six.
That's okay, that's okay. I just spoke with defense counsel's, assistant. They may be calling up here to try to get it off the docket. He said, can we just not use their right?
We don't have to, but I don't think
Perfect. Perfect.
No. We need to do bond, no off, no. We need to do bond conditions. No,
Perfect.
It's not filed yet.
Nobody signed it.
So we'll let you know when they bring it up.
no.
Oh, maybe.
Mo, is it Mo or Goodhines? Good times.
For the next turn?
Yeah. Is that?
I saw they called a notice of appearance, but I couldn't.
Okay.
Oh, Joseph.
Perfect. That works better for me anyway. Oh, good. All right.
Good to see you. See you tomorrow.
Like one of those special cases which we called it state crime.
Oh, it's a hate crime?
Judge on Alvarado,
Yeah,
how much did you revoke it for?
10,002 each.
That might be it.
We only have one in the box now.
Yeah, she had Jolista originally, and then Jolista said, I'm running late, and then at 11:30, she said, can you reappoint? I can't make it.
Right, it is what it
So
is.
Kobe